Secretary Go, at especially si Atty. Chris. Saan si Chris? Ayun, si Chris Fernandez. Ano yan? Kaya, Edwin, congratulations. Director Padilla, from more or less 500 square meter of healthcare facility, shout out sa lahat ng mga taga District 2 ng Manila. In the coming days, weeks, few months, we will submit to the public itong ating itatatag na 7-story hospital ng Tondo sa District 2. 350% larger from its original place. O yan, para sa mga taga-Tondo. Matagal na sila nagsakripisyo. Now, I have to also give credit where it's due. Itong ibabayad natin ay pera at taxpayer ng City of Manila. And the seed money to build naman, no? The seed money to build the facility for our people. Kung maalala nyo kako, nasa Malacanang kami, no? Kung maalala nyo, nasa Malacanang kami lahat. Lahat ng mayor at gobernador, municipal and city, and highly urbanized. Because of the new program of the President, or what you call Bawat Bayan Makikinabang, under the PALGU, or Financial Assistance to Local Government Unit,